So we about to use caliper to replace this one that is one, and just to inspect it, at least there are two pistons, and this is also two pistons. So we'll go ahead and then make the changes. So we need to unbolt the brake fluid link to the piston, and we'll then fix it on this one and do the changes. This looks worn out also, so what I'll do is that I would unscrew this. I would like to treat it with the rust treatment. Hopefully that would give it a temporary protection. And we come to this one. That is for the old one, and then unscrew the bolt. So using a 12 millimeter socket, we have to remove the bolt here for the brake, and then transfer it to our new brake caliper, which is on the side. That's for the right brake caliper. Now that we've taken the hose from the old one, and that is this one, so we wouldn't put that in this replacement. Okay. So we have this groove here, and the brake line has to go through that, like that. Okay, and from there we can then tighten it up. Okay, so that is good. The brake line is now in place. We'll go ahead and then also switch the valve, the bleeding valve, into this one. So we'll take it from the old one and then put it in the replacement part. So using a 10 millimeter socket, take this thing out. That's the bleeding valve, and then put it on the replacement part. Then tighten it up. We spray this area with the brake cleaner, and then go ahead and mount our rotor along with the bracket and then the caliper.